Hi there. I'm Emma and welcome to English Echo. Today I'm going to tell you the classic story of Hansel and Gretel. It's a magical tale of adventure, courage, and cleverness, and it will help you improve your listening skills. Let's follow Hansel and Gretel through the forest and enjoy this exciting story together. Once upon a time, in a small village next to a dark, mysterious forest, lived two siblings named Hansel and Gretel. They were kind and loved each other very much. But their family was having hard times and there wasn't enough food to eat. One day their stepmother planned to leave Hansel and Gretel deep in the forest so they couldn't find their way back. The children overheard her plan and felt scared. That night, when the full moon lit up the forest, Hansel and Gretel decided to leave a trail of breadcrumbs to find their way home. They didn't know the forest was magical and the creatures there wanted to help them. As they walked through the forest, the moonlight showed them a hidden path leading to a house made of candy and sweets. The children couldn't believe their eyes. They carefully approached the candy house, and as they took a bite of the delicious candy roof, they heard a gentle voice. "Welcome, young travelers. I am the fairy of the forest," said the voice. Startled, Hansel and Gretel looked around and saw a beautiful fairy hovering in the air. She explained that the forest was magical and there to protect them. The candy house was her gift to them. "You are kind-hearted and brave," the fairy said. "You will always be safe in this magical forest." Hansel and Gretel thanked the fairy for her kindness and told her about their mean stepmother's plan. "Don't worry," the fairy said, "I will guide you back home and keep you safe." Following the fairy's guidance, Hansel and Gretel found their way back to their village. The magical forest not only kept them safe but also gave them a bag filled with food and special seeds. With the seeds, the siblings turned their empty garden into a beautiful one. They shared the food with their neighbors and soon the whole village was doing well. People from all around heard about the magical forest and visited Hansel and Gretel's special garden. The fairy of the forest became their guardian, blessing them with plenty of food and happiness. Hansel and Gretel's stepmother saw how good they were and the beauty of the garden. She felt sorry for her actions and asked for forgiveness, and the family was reunited with love and understanding. Now I have some questions for you. Write your answers in the comments below to practice your English. I'd love to see your responses. And so, dear little dreamer, as Hansel, Gretel, and the magic forest adventure comes to an end, it's time for 3 questions to unlock the magic within the tale. How did Hansel and Gretel's adventure in the enchanted forest begin, and who helped them find their way home? What was the fairy of the forest's gift to the children and how did it change their lives? How did Hansel and Gretel's kindness and bravery transform their village, their family, and their own hearts? Use your imagination, let your dreams guide you, and answer the questions to uncover the secrets of Hansel, Gretel, and the magic forest adventure. May you dream of magical forests, enchanted gardens, and the magic of love and forgiveness. Good night, sweet little dreamer, and may your dreams be filled with the wonder of Hansel and Gretel's tale and the joy of living happily ever after. Thank you for listening to Hansel and Gretel. I hope you enjoyed the adventure and learned some new English words along the way. If you want to keep improving your listening skills, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can hear a new story every day. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next story.